So over here, you can see that I have a message in Japanese and I don't know what it means. So in that case, what you can do is you can let Microsoft Teams translate this for you. But for this, of course, what you need to make sure is that your language settings is in English. So you can go around over here just like this, and then you need to make sure that your language settings is in English right here. So both the keyboard and app language is in English, as you can see. So now all you need to do is click on the three dot button right here, and then you need to click on translate. And now you can see it says, how are you doing right here? If I were to go around onto immersive reader right here, then it opens this out, as you can see, and brings it out in English as well. You also have the translate option over here, as you can see. So you can go around and choose out, let's say, for example, different languages over here, and then it'll go around and then translate it out over there as well. So that is how you can go around and translate out the chat messages inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.